Today we're working on a woods deck and we have to take the blades and the gearboxes off. The bolts are 3/4 inch on the blades. Put a little lube on them to help them come out. Sometimes they break off and you'll have to take them out with a torch or a pair of vice grips later. Each gearbox has got 3 or 4 bolts depending on which model, and they'll be 13 millimeter. Now I'm going to go ahead and take these wheel brackets off and these wheels to salvage them also. Today's haul, we ended up with 3 gearboxes, a drive pulley, and 2 wheels and spindles off this woods deck.